Here are 5 small-town business models you can steal today. Let's be real, most people think you have to move to a big city, get funding, and grind 90 hours a week to make big money. The conventional wisdom says pack your bags, head to New York or San Francisco, pitch to venture capitalists, and sacrifice your 20s and 30s at the altar of entrepreneurship. Nah, that's the old playbook, and honestly, it's overrated. The real money? It's sitting quietly in small towns where competition is low, customers are loyal, overhead costs are minimal, and profits are way higher than you'd think. While everyone's fighting for scraps in oversaturated urban markets, small-town entrepreneurs are building 6-figure businesses with half the stress and twice the lifestyle freedom. Think about it. In a city, you're one of 10,000 similar businesses. In a small town, you might be the only one. Your marketing budget? Cut it in half because word of mouth actually works when everyone knows everyone. Your customer acquisition cost? Practically zero when you can meet potential clients at the local diner or church on Sunday. Today, we're breaking down 5 small-town business models you can steal today. Real businesses, real profits, and zero corporate nonsense. Whether you're trying to quit your soul-sucking 9-to-5, start a side hustle that could replace your income, or just stack some serious, small-town cash while actually enjoying your life. This list is your treasure map. Let's get into it. 1. The mobile detailing empire. $3,000, $10,000 a month. In small towns, people love their trucks, boats, and family SUVs, but absolutely hate cleaning them. These vehicles aren't just transportation, they're identity, they're status symbols, they're investments. And they're sitting in driveways right now covered in mud, pollen, and neglect. That's your opening. You can start a mobile detailing business with a pressure washer, some quality soap, microfiber towels, and hustle. No storefront needed, no expensive rent eating into your margins. Just drive to their driveway and make their ride shine like it just rolled off the showroom floor. Why it works? There's little to no competition in most small towns. Sure, there might be a car wash on Main Street, but nobody's offering premium mobile service that comes to the customer. Once folks see how clean their car looks, when they run their hand across that smooth, waxed hood and see their reflection, they'll call you again and again. It's a sticky business with high repeat rates. Here's the golden ticket: offer subscription packages. 2 premium washes a month for $60, or weekly maintenance plans for $100 a month. Boom. You've got recurring income. You're not just chasing one-off jobs, you're building a predictable revenue stream. That's the difference between a side hustle and a real business. Profit potential. Start solo and earn $3K, $5K a month easily working weekends and a couple of evenings. Once you dial in your process and build a client base, you can hire a helper or 2. With a small team of 3 people, you can scale up to $10K, $15K a month without ever leaving your county. The math is simple. If each detail takes 2 hours and you charge $100 or $150, you're looking at $50, $75 per hour per person. Do the math across a full week and the numbers get exciting fast. Power move. Partner with local car dealerships or realtors. Dealerships need cars detailed for the lot constantly, and realtors need properties to look perfect, including the cars in the driveway for staging photos. Set up a wholesale rate with them, and they'll send you clients all year long. It's steady, predictable work that fills in the gaps between your retail customers. Getting started. Invest $500, $1,000 in quality equipment. Watch some YouTube tutorials to perfect your technique, and start with friends and family. Take before and after photos for social media. Post them everywhere. In a small town, 3 happy customers can turn into 30 in a matter of weeks. 1. Junk to gold removal service. $5,000, $20,000 a month. People in small towns have barns, garages, sheds, attics, and back 40 acres full of junk. But here's what they don't realize. You can get paid twice, once to haul it off, and again when you sell it. This is the ultimate double-dip business model. Start a junk removal and resell business. Charge customers to clean out old properties, storage units, foreclosures, and estates. Then flip the good stuff. Antiques, vintage tools, furniture, collectibles, farm equipment, on Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, eBay, or at local auctions. One person's trash is literally your treasure, and you're getting paid to discover it. Why it works? It's fast cash with low startup costs. You don't need a business degree or special certifications, you just need a truck, or rent one, a trailer, some basic tools, the ability to lift heavy things, and the guts to hustle. The barrier to entry is so low that most people overlook it, but the profit margins are insane. Think about it. Someone pays you $500 to clean out their dead uncle's garage. Inside, you find a vintage Craftsman toolbox worth $200, some old license plates collectors love, $50, a working lawnmower, $100, and enough scrap metal to make another $50 at the recycling center. You just made $900 on a job you were already paid $500 to do. That's $400 total, minus maybe $100 in dump fees and gas. Do this twice a week, and you're at $10K a month. Profit potential. Small jobs like garage cleanouts pay $200, $500. Big cleanouts, think whole estate sales, barn excavations, or commercial property cleanups can hit $1,000, $2,000 each. The beauty is you can scale based on how much you want to work. Do just a few jobs per week and you're already at $10K per month. Go full-time with a crew and $20K plus is absolutely achievable. Bonus play, build relationships with local real estate agents, estate attorneys, and property managers. They love having a go-to cleanup crew they can trust before showings, closings, or rentals. Become their guy, or gal, and you'll never run out of work. These professionals are your annuity. They'll feed you jobs month after month, year after year. The resale strategy. Don't just dump everything. Get smart about what has value. Join local collector groups on Facebook. Learn what vintage items are hot. Set up a small eBay store for national reach. Visit estate sales and auctions to understand pricing. Over time, you'll develop an eye for gold, and your profit margins will double. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we drop more game-changing business ideas. And, hey, if you're ready to actually start one of these, check out our exclusive courses and resources in the description below. We've got templates, launch checklists, and step-by-step guides to help you go from idea to income fast. 1. Small town subscription box, $2,000, $8,000 a month. You don't need to live in Silicon Valley to start a subscription box business. In fact, small town themes absolutely crush it online, because people crave authenticity in an increasingly digital world. Imagine a Taste of Carolina box, featuring local honey from the farm down the road, handmade soaps from that artisan you met at the farmer's market, BBQ rubs from the pitmaster everyone raves about, and locally roasted coffee. Or a farmhouse finds box, with rustic candles, home decor, vintage-inspired kitchen towels, and snacks from local makers. Maybe a Mountain Mornings box with maple syrup, trail mix, handcrafted mugs, and regional preserves. Why it works. People are desperate to support small-town charm and craftsmanship from the comfort of their suburban or urban homes. They want stories. They want to feel connected to something real. You're not just selling products, you're selling a feeling, a lifestyle, an experience. You can start small, like really small, with 20-50 subscribers, and scale big as you dial in your product mix and marketing. The business model is beautiful. Just package products from local vendors, who are thrilled for the exposure and steady orders. Add branded packaging with a personal note, and ship them nationwide. Your vendors handle production. You handle curation and marketing. It's asset-light and scalable. Profit potential. Let's do the math. With 200 subscribers paying $25 a month, that's $5,000 a month in recurring revenue. Your cost of goods might be $10, $12 per box. Buying wholesale from local vendors. Shipping is $5, $7, and packaging is $2. So you're netting about $5, $8 per box after hard costs, or $1,000, $1,600 in profit. Seems modest, right? But now scale to 500 subscribers and you're at $2,500, $4,000 month profit. Hit 1,000 subscribers and you're making $5,000, $8,000 monthly with a business that largely runs itself. Pro tip, partner with local artisans and small producers. Approach them with a win-win. You'll feature their products, buy at wholesale rates, usually 40-50% off retail. Include information cards about their story, and tag them on social media for free marketing. They get consistent bulk orders and exposure. You get unique products that tell an authentic story. Everyone wins.
Marketing magic. Use Instagram and TikTok to showcase unboxing experiences. People love watching these videos. Create reels showing the curation process, visiting local makers, and packing boxes. User-generated content from happy subscribers is gold. Encourage them to share their unboxing experiences and repost everything. The algorithm loves this content, and so do potential customers.
1. Event rental and decor business, $3,000, $12,000 a month. Weddings, graduations, family reunions, church events, and milestone birthdays are huge deals in small towns, and people spend serious money to make them look Instagram perfect. The problem: most small towns don't have event rental companies, so people either DIY it and stress out, drive hours to the nearest city, expensive and inconvenient, or just do without. Start a decor and event rental business. You don't need fancy gear at first. Start with the basics. Folding chairs, tables, arches, backdrops, string lights, centerpieces, linens, and simple lighting setups. Use your own garage, barn, or storage unit, and rent everything out every weekend during peak season, April through October. Why it works: the economics are incredible. Every event uses the same inventory over and over, meaning your startup cost pays itself off incredibly fast. Buy 100 chairs for $50 on $500, rent them out at $2 each, and you've recovered your investment after just 7 to 8 events. Everything after that is pure profit, minus minimal maintenance and cleaning. The other beautiful thing: in small towns, everyone knows when big events are happening. You become the event rental person and word spreads fast. Oh, you're having a graduation party? You have to call Sarah. She did my daughter's wedding and everything looked amazing. Profit potential: a single wedding setup with chairs, tables, arch, backdrop, and lighting can net you $2,500, $2,500 in rental fees. Your actual costs? Minimal. Just cleaning, delivery, and setup time. Do just 2 events a month and you're already earning $3,000, $5,000. Scale up during peak wedding season, May, June, September, October, and you could be doing 6 to 8 events per month at $8,000, $12,000 monthly revenue. Power move: add premium upsells like photo booth rentals, $300, $500 per event. Uplighting packages, $200, $300. Specialty linens and chargers, $100, $200, or custom backdrops, $150, $250. These items cost you once, but rent out dozens of times. They're profit multipliers that turn a $1,500 event into a $12,500 event with minimal additional effort. Getting started: start with one event type, say wedding ceremony setups, and absolutely nail it. Get stunning photos, collect glowing testimonials, and build a portfolio. Then expand into other event types: corporate events, birthdays, baby showers, and holiday parties. Eventually you can offer full-service planning, but start with rentals because the margins are better, and the barrier to entry is lower. 1. Small-town digital agency, $4,000, $15,000 a month. Here's a dirty little secret: small-town businesses desperately need help with websites, Facebook ads, Google My Business listings, and social media. But most can't afford big city agencies charging $5K monthly retainers and $10K website builds. That's where you come in as the local digital expert. Start a micro-agency offering web design, local SEO, social media management, and basic online advertising for local shops, realtors, restaurants, HVAC companies, dentists, and service businesses. These businesses know they need to be online, but they're overwhelmed and don't know where to start. You're not just selling services, you're solving a massive pain point. Why it works: you don't need fancy degrees, certifications, or a downtown office. You just need solid online skills, which you can learn through YouTube and online courses in a few months, some local networking ability, and the confidence to deliver results. Once you deliver for one client, say you help a local restaurant get more reservations through Google My Business optimization, word of mouth spreads like wildfire in a small town. The trust factor is huge. Business owners would rather work with someone local they can meet for coffee than some faceless agency 3 states away. You're accessible, you understand the community, you can take a meeting at the local diner and actually look them in the eye. Profit potential: clients typically pay $300, $800 a month for simple management packages like social media posting, Google My Business maintenance, and basic SEO. Land 10, 15 clients, and you're earning $5K, $10K monthly, working from your laptop in your living room, coffee shop, or even the local library. Your overhead is essentially zero beyond software subscriptions and maybe $100 a month in tools. The beautiful part? This scales without geographic limits. Start with local clients to build your portfolio and testimonials, then expand regionally or even nationally. You could have 30 clients across 5 small towns, all paying you $400 to $600 a month, netting you 12K, 18K monthly with a business that runs on systems and templates. Pro tip: use AI tools for design, Canva, Midjourney, scheduling, Buffer, Later, copywriting, ChatGPT, and analytics to scale without hiring staff immediately. You can serve 15-20 clients solo with the right tech stack. When you do hire, bring on a virtual assistant or part-time helper for $15-20 an hour to handle routine tasks while you focus on sales and strategy. Service packages that sell offer tiered packages: Bronze, $299 month for basic social media and Google My Business; Silver, $499 month, adding email marketing and content creation; and Gold, $799 month, with everything plus monthly strategy calls and ad management. Make it simple, transparent, and results-focused. Show them the ROI: more calls, more foot traffic, more sales, and they'll stick with you for years. Getting started. The action plan. Here's the thing about all 5 of these business models: they're proven, they're profitable, and they're perfect for small towns. But knowing about them doesn't make you money. Taking action does. Your 30-day launch plan. Week 1. Pick your model based on your skills, interests, and local market gaps. Do market research. Are there competitors? What do locals actually need? Week 2. Set up the basics. Business name, simple website or social media presence, basic equipment or tools, and legal structure, LLC if you want asset protection. Week 3. Launch with a beta offer. Give friends, family, or early adopters a discount in exchange for testimonials and photos. Document everything. Week 4. Market like crazy. Post on local Facebook groups, put up flyers at the coffee shop and library, tell everyone you know, and leverage word of mouth. Within 30 days, you should have your first paying customers. Within 90 days, you should know if this is going to work. Within 6 months, you could be earning more than your day job. Final thoughts: steal the model, build your empire. Small towns aren't slow, they're strategic. Fewer competitors, loyal customers, lower overhead, and a community that genuinely loves supporting local businesses. That's your edge. That's your unfair advantage. The big city entrepreneurs are fighting over scraps in hyper-competitive markets, burning venture capital, and working themselves into the ground. Meanwhile, you could be building a solid, profitable, lifestyle-friendly business right where you are. So, whether you're washing cars in driveways, flipping junk from old barns, curating subscription boxes that tell your town's story, renting event decor every weekend, or building websites from your couch, pick a model, start small, and scale smart. Because in business, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Sometimes you just have to steal the right one and adapt it to your backyard. The opportunity is sitting right in front of you. The question is, are you going to take it? Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your empire, be kind, be humble, and be generous. Success isn't just about the money you make, it's about the impact you have and the community you serve. The world needs more entrepreneurs who care, who give back, and who build businesses that make their towns better places to live. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.